You want to put the bib on the baby?
Uh-huh.
Okay, what else do you want to do? What else is in there? A binky. Give it to the baby. Oh, Caroline. Are you the baby or where's the baby? Aw, Binky. Good job. What else? You gonna dump it all out? All right.
Oh no.
Oh no! Look, it's our potty. Look.
Mommy potty.
It's mommy's potty? No, it's a baby's potty. Aww. She's gonna go pee-pee in the potty? Oh, almost.
Huh?
Yeah, like this. She goes pee-pee in the potty like this. Alright, say thank you, Titi. You say thank you, Titi, for the present. Thank you, Titi. Bye-bye. I love you. I love you, Titi. Okay. Bye.